Hey there! Today, we're going to talk about something really exciting: nuclear fusion. Now, don't let the word nuclear scare you. It's just a fancy name for a really cool process that happens in the sun and other stars. Let's start with a simple example. Imagine you have a bunch of tiny balls. Now, what if you could squish these balls together so tightly that they turn into one big ball? That's kind of like what happens in nuclear fusion. But instead of balls, we're talking about atoms. Now, atoms are the building blocks of everything around us, from the air we breathe to the ground we walk on. They're made up of three parts: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons are like the meat and potatoes of the atom, while electrons are like the sauce that holds it all together. In nuclear fusion, what happens is that two atoms come together and fuse into one. It's like when you mix two colors of paint together, and you get a new color. In this case though, it's not just a new color, but a new atom. Now, here's where it gets really cool. When these atoms fuse, they release a lot of energy. That's why nuclear fusion is so important. It's like when you squeeze a balloon, and it releases a burst of air. That's the same thing that happens in nuclear fusion, but on a much bigger scale. This energy is used in many ways. For example, in the sun, nuclear fusion is what makes the sun shine. It's like a giant ball of gas that's constantly fusing atoms together, releasing energy, and making the sun shine brightly. In fact, nuclear fusion is so powerful that it's used to create energy for our homes and cities. It's like having a giant power plant in the sky. But remember, kids, nuclear fusion is a big deal. It's a process that happens in the stars and gives us the energy we need. It's like a giant cosmic party where atoms are dancing together and creating new ones. So there you have it, kids. That's what nuclear fusion is all about. It's a process that happens in the stars and gives us the energy we need. It's like a cosmic dance where atoms are coming together and creating new ones. And it's a process that's so powerful, it's used to create energy for our homes and cities.